Good morning, children. So we are going to study the next topic, that is SQL data types. So we have studied data types in Python. So what is a data type? Data type means the type of the data that can be stored in a variable. So likewise in SQL, in each column we can store a particular type of data. So for that we have to specify the data type for that particular column. So there is data type in SQL. So let us see what is a data type. Suppose in a table of students we have to store the roll number in one column, name in another column, student address in another column. So in a roll number we always specify integer data type. Then for name, string, that is here in MySQL instead of string we use varchar or char. So let us see in detail. Just like any other programming language, the facility of defining data of various types is available in MySQL. So SQL supports the following data types for the specification of various data items or fields in a table. In SQL, each column of the table is assigned a data type which conveys the kind of the value that will be stored in the column. So in MySQL, the data types are classified into three types. They are numeric data types, then non-numeric or string data type, then date and time data type. That is numeric, non-numeric or string, then date and time. So let us see in detail. So first one is integer data type. Integer. We have to write it as integer, integer. Since SQL is not a case sensitive language, so capital and small letter both are same. So we have to write like this, integer, or like this, anyway. Then what is integer? So integer data type, it stores positive whole numbers up to 11 digits. Positive whole numbers up to 11 digits means like this, and negative whole numbers up to 10 digits, because 0 is also included, that is up to 10 digits. In positive 0 is also included, that is why in negative up to 10 digits, that is till 11 characters. 11 size of the integer can be 11 values. So 11 digits can be there in a value that can be stored using integer data type. 11 digit values can be stored. If it is a negative value, then 10 digit, maximum 10 digit value can be stored. Then next is small int. So commonly we use integer data type. Small int we use rarely. So it is a 16-bit signed integer value that stores whole numbers from, that is 5-digit whole numbers. Small int will store only up to 5-digit whole numbers. Then numeric. So numeric data type are stored in the given format where x is the total number of digits and y is the number of places to the right of the decimal point. X must include an extra place for the decimal point. So here you can see numeric data type. Suppose I want to store salary of a person. So if I write here 20,000 0 0. Usually we write like this. So if I give numeric data type, then in bracket I have to specify, write numeric, then I have to specify x comma y. So x is the total number of digits. So total 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I will specify 7 comma how many digits should be after the decimal point. So after the decimal point there are 2 digits. So I will specify like this. So for specifying data in the form like this format, that is total 7 digits should be there, and after the decimal point only 2 digits should be there. For such cases we can use numeric data type. So in numeric data type we have to specify the total total digits and the digit after the decimal point. So in the given example, numeric data type stores a number that has 5 places before the decimal and 2 digits after the decimal. So if we have specified 8, then 5 digits will be after the decimal, before the decimal, 6 digits will be before the decimal and 2 digit will be after the decimal. So a negative number holds one place for the sign also. If we are specifying a negative number, we have to provide extra total number of digits, an extra value, that is for sign. Then the next data type is decimal data type. So decimal data type, same as the before, x comma y. So x is the number of the number stored in the decimal format, where x is the size, that is total number of digits, and y is the precision, that is it is the number of places to the after the decimal point, same as that of the number data type. Suppose in decimal 8,2, in the above example, decimal data type stores a number that has 6 digits before the decimal and 2 digits after the decimal, and decimal holds up to 19 significant digits. A negative number uses one place for its sign. It is decimal and numeric data type are same as then. Next one is character data type. So character data type is represented as char x or char size. X is the size, number of characters that can be stored in the particular column. So this data type stores x number of characters in the string which has a fixed length. The maximum number of characters can be stored is 254 characters. Store strings that are not as long as the size or x parameter value, the remaining space are left unused. For example, if you specify char 10, suppose you specify in your MySQL statement, in your SQL statement, if you specify the size, that is name, for name as name char 10, so that is for storing name, I use the data type char and its size is 10, that is in the name column only names with maximum 10 characters can be stored. Maximum 10 characters can be stored. So all the names with 0 to 10 characters can be stored in the column name. So if I store RAM, so RAM has only 3 characters. And if I store technology, so technology has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 characters. So what happens if I use char data type? We are reserving 10 units for storing the names. So after storing name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 units are reserved. And if I store RAM here, and the rest, what happens, other 9 memory spaces are wasted. It is not used by any other names. What happens, this whole 10 units are reserved for storing a single name if I use char data type. And what happens, it creates memory wastage. It creates a wastage of memory. So instead of this, if I have used varchar data type, so these char and varchar are used for storing strings. So instead of this, if I used varchar data type and I store RAM, then you can see 9 places, 9 bits are free, 9 memory units are free. So we can use the rest, sorry, not 9, 7 memory units are free. So what happens, when the next word, that is technology, is stored, then technology will use the next free memory that is left by RAM. That is what happens, varchar, while using varchar, the RAM is stored, then after that the memory that has been allocated to RAM is free, few bits are available free. So we use the rest of the memory. RAM, for storing RAM, only 3 bits are used. So what happens, rest of the memory is being used by technology, TECHNOL, then OGY. So here what happens, memory wastage is not there because memory is being utilized by storing other strings. But when we are using char data type, there is a wastage of memory. So then you will be thinking why these char data types are used. So char data types are used for storing fixed data, that is data which will be of that particular size, which will not vary in size. Such type of data can be stored using char data type because data accessing is easier when we store using char data type. That is, this data type is suitable where the number of characters to be stored is fixed. It will not change. The size of that particular characters are fixed. In such cases, we can use char data type. Suppose we are using column grade. So we are giving CDEF, and here the size of that particular column is only 1 byte. It uses only 1 byte for storing. So what happens, the size is not changed, it is not variable, only a single character is being stored in that particular column. In such cases we can use char data type. And for storing names, because names of a person, some few names will be of 3 digits and the other will be 11 digits. such change will be there. So it is, we can use, for such cases we can use varchar, because variables to store variable data. Next is date and time data type. This data type is used to store a date in YYYY MMDD format. That is, year will be first. You have to give the year first, then slash, month, then date. It stores year, month and date values. Date values can be compared with each other value. The date values to be entered are to be enclosed in curly braces or within a single quote or double quote, within a single quote. So whenever we enter date, it should be enclosed in single quotes or curly braces. Then time. The time data type is used to store time, and the time format is hour, minute, second format. It stores hour, minute and second values. So time of the day can be taken as 12, 30, 45, where 12 means 12 hours, 30 minutes, 45 seconds. Next is Boolean data type. So Boolean data type is used for storing Boolean values, that is true or false. In any case, that is in lowercase or in uppercase, T or Y stands for logical true and F or N stands for logical false. So if we give capital T or capital Y, then it is true, and if we give capital F or capital N, it stands for false. The fields with Boolean data type can be compared only with other logical columns or constants. The next is blob, row, long row. This data type can store data up to maximum length of 65,535 characters. That is binary large objects. Blob means binary large objects and is used to store a large amount of data, such as images, animations, video clips or other types of files. Then memo or long. This data type allows storing characters or remarks up to 2 GB per record. In a single record, that is in a single row, it can handle 2 GB data. For that purpose, memo or long data type can be used. The next is the difference between char and varchar. So first one is char data type provides fixed length memory storage. It specifies a fixed length character string. That is, I have told before, that is, if char 10 is given, if we specify char 10, then for suppose name column I have given char 10, then what happens, all the data that is stored in name column will have size 10. Even if I store a letter A, then also the other 9 memory spaces will be allotted to that particular name, even if it requires only a single memory space. So it is a fixed length memory storage. It specifies a fixed length character string. Then varchar. Varchar data type provides variable length memory storage. It specifies a variable length string, it specifies a variable length string. Then char data type can store maximum of 0 to 255 characters, whereas varchar can store up to 65,535 characters. Then char data type is used when the data entries in a column are expected to be of the same size, like the grade of a student. It is of the same size. Then varchar data type is used when the data entries in a column are expected to be vary considerably in size. The name of the student, its size can vary. Then char x will take x characters of storage even if you enter less than x characters in that column. Then varchar will not take the required storage for the actual number of characters, will take only the required storage for the actual number of characters and column. Then if a value entered is shorter than its length, then blanks are added, blank spaces will be appended. If no blank spaces are added if the length is shorter than the maximum length. Then char data type takes memory space of 1 byte per character. So for each character, char data type takes 1 byte. Then varchar data type takes memory space of 1 byte per character plus 2 bytes to hold variable length information. 2 bytes it takes to hold the variable length information, that is from which position to which position is the particular string and from which position to which position is the next string. Then because it's of variable size, so its size is not, since its size is not fixed, we have to store the particular information that from which all characters position to which position is that particular string. Then search operation is faster with char data type column. So I have told you searching is faster, accessing is faster when we use char data type. The search operation works slower in varchar because we don't know from which position to which position is the first string, then from which to which is the second string. So we don't know because memory space which is being wasted is being utilized by the next string. Then its example is name char 10 and here name varchar 10. It is the syntax. Name field occupies 10 bytes with first 3 bytes with values and the rest with blank data. Then in here the name occupies only 3 plus 2 equal to 5 bytes, that is first 3 bytes for value, that is Anu, and the other 2 bytes for variable length information. Okay, thank you children.